Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Where are your friends?
At home, ma'am. In at my hometown.
You're at your hometown. Why your friends
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not joining in for the class?
Ma'am, maybe they will be joining in 2-3 minutes, ma'am.
Okay. Once if you quickly join in, you can finish today the first part of the module. Ask your friends to join fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys, the screen which I've shared, is it visible for you all? Boys, can you see this problem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did we do this problem in the last class? We did the journal entry and ledger entry as per my remembrance, correct, right?
That was a different problem.
Yeah, for the different
Not the
problem, we
same.
did the journal entry and we did the ledger entry, correct?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so now this problem I've posted in your Google Classroom. See, I cannot share 2-3 screens on while doing in the Google Meet. So I have already shared this problem in your Google Classroom. So what you can do is you can either open your Google Classroom. By chance, if students have logged in through the mobile phone, what you can do is you can take a pic of this, okay, and keep it ready, because once when I open my Paint and when I start doing the classes, you're going to give me input from here. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Madam.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or quickly you can note down the problem. I hope you're all maintaining notes for financial management. This notes is definitely going to help you towards your exam time. And please don't think that you'll not have exams. This time we have done away with 8th semester exams. So you will have definitely exams. You're all seniors now. 7th semester will definitely have exams in this semester. Have you copied or taken a click?
Can you wait for a second, ma'am?
Okay. Maybe by the end of this weekend, I will post 2 problems in your Google Classroom, that is on Saturday. So those 2 problems will be the part of your first assignment. Am I clear? Those 2 problems will be the part of your first assignment. Next week, I'm going to start the second part of the module. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was your class strength in the previous class? Because I'm getting
35, ma'am.
Almost the same.
35. Because I'm getting
Yes,
only around 4 students or 5 students every class. And there are new names which are there in my diary in which I have not seen these students once at all, not even for once. Abdul Khalik is coming for the other classes. Abdul Khalik. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the right. Abdul Khalik Pasha 001. Is he coming for the other classes? Can you just ask me to call me or something? Is he there? Mainly
Ma'am,
I'm
he
not
might have
able-
attended some of the classes, ma'am. Not many of them.
Okay. And what about this S. Rajat Kumar 14ME046? Rajat Kumar 046. Then this Puppala Chanukya 16ME044. Puppala Chanukya. Simika 056. Can you please inform your through your students group, can you inform these students to meet me? Yes, Rajat Kumar, Pupala Chanukya, Simika, and Abdul Khalik. Okay?
Ma'am, these are all there in that WhatsApp group, what we have made for financial management.
In that, all students, even these people are there, is it? Rajat and.
Yes, ma'am, all of them are there, ma'am.
Okay, I will find out. Okay. Okay, have you copied? Shall I move on?
yes, ma'am.
Once it's joined in quickly, can take a pic of it. And when you start doing the problems also, slowly you can note down. Prajwal, have you copied the problem? Prajwal, we are doing the second problem. And you can take a click of it and we can start doing it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I have taken the pic.
Okay. I'm continuing. I'm stopping. I'm going to add a paint for it. Was the screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are doing what we are doing. Ledger entry or journal entry?
Ledger.
Journal.
Journal entry. Ledger is a small subset of your journal entry. First, we have to start with journal entry. Then only we can start doing with our ledger entry. Is it clear? So what are the details that we have to add in the ledger entry? It should have date, then transactions.
Account.
By now it should be transactions or account details. I'll write transactions. Then some reference number. Then what it should have? What it should have?
Debit and credit.
Debit and credit. By now I hope you are familiar with the table format. Is it clear? Okay. So now we have done with this. Now quickly, the first problem, what is the transaction read? What is the first transaction? Says, can you read the first statement in your transaction problem number 2, which I have shared it in the Google Classroom? Purchase furniture for cash rupees 7,000. Am I reading it right? Baswaraj? Baswaraj? Am I reading the transaction right? Purchased furniture for cash rupees 7,000. Yes or no?
Yes, my lord.
Now, what kind of account is this? What kind of account is this?
Real account.
Real account.
It's a real
Real.
account. Very good. Since it's a real account, I'm going to go with the detailing. So, which date the transaction has been made? The dates on the extreme left 2, 8, 14, 18, 22 and 30 is been given. So it is made in the transactions are made in the year in the month of April 2016. If you read the statement completely, on April 2016 and started business with rupees 1 lakh and other transactions for the month are given here. On towards your extreme left, I've given dates like 2, 8, 14, 18, 22, 6 and 30. All those indicates dates. Any doubts with that? If you observe your problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Is those detailing clear? So it is on the first transaction happens on 2, 4 and it is on 16th. You said since it is purchased furniture, no, first we have to start with what account? There is a capital money involved, right? So we have to make the transactions with the capital account. So can you tell me what kind of transactions will happen there? Usually when you have a capital account, how do we make entries? It is 1, 4, 20, 16. It has been the cash account is coming into the business. Okay, this is also a real account. Debit the receiver. How much is the money? 1 lakh. Who's the giver? From his capital account, the money is getting. So to capital account. It is 1 lakh. Is it clear? So first I'm making transactions with this capital money. See, I want a debate on this. Can this account be a personal account? What kind of account is this? Boys, have you forgotten? Should I refresh the class? Personal account, the rule says debit the receiver, credit the giver. What is for the real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What is for nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. Right? Now, I want to put a debate saying that when somebody is starting a business, okay, with some 1 lakh cash, whether it is a real account or whether it's a personal account. Nilesh?
Ma'am,
What account is it according to you? When somebody is investing in a business, He's investing 1 lakh. So you say it's a personal account or it is a real account?
Ma'am, since he's not buying or selling any kind of asset, so it shouldn't be real account.
It shouldn't be real account. Anybody else? Rajwal? You said something, Rajwal. Your voice is not audible. Prince Tonger? Prince Tonger? What kind of account
yes,
is this?
real account, I think.
It is
Real account.
personal account. Chandan?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of account do you think? It's a personal account or a real account?
I think it may be personal.
It may be. You're still not clear.
Not clear.
Not clear. Okay,
No.
Baswaraj? It's a personal account or a real account?
Ma'am, it may be real account because it is related to business assets. So,
It's created to business assets. Okay. Sharanaya Hiremat?
Ma'am, it's a nominal account because or debit. Like we are getting all profit and gain is to be credited, and since he is starting the business, that's like investing, so it is a gain, right, ma'am?
And definitely nominal account will not come because in nominal account it says once when you start a business, either you can pay salaries, you can pay commission, you can receive price, you can receive profits, you can receive share money, that you can receive. It's only such kind of transactions will come under nominal account. It is only a close. There is always a close misunderstanding between personal account and the real account. So that one only we are clarifying. Is it clear, Prajwal? It doesn't fall
Yes,
under the
ma'am.
category of nominal account.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody
Got it,
else
ma'am.
want to debate? See, with this interaction, I can understand. See, there are certain things that we have to consider here. It depends on how they frame the statement and how the transactions are happening, right? So in this case, he clearly says that Anne, somebody called Anne, is starting the business for the first time. Okay? Personal account, ma'am. Very good, Sharanaya. You have understood. You have also understood the concept is no. He's starting a business with 1 lakh. So he is not extending his business or he's not doing anything. So since he's doing that, it is the case of personal account. In personal account, what is the rule says? Baswaraj, what is the rule?
Debit the receiver, credit the giver.
Yeah, from his cash account, you're removing 1 lakh and you're investing first capital for that Ant's business. You're investing to that capital account. You're investing 1 lakh. So from cash account, debit the receiver to debit the receiver. Receiver is from Ant's to the capital is 1 lakh. Is it clear? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So it is falling under the category of personal account. Am I clear? Nilesh, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sharanaya? Prince? Baswaraj, you have any doubt?
no, my God.
You got it? Prajwal, are you clear? Prajwal? Prajwal? I'll repeat. Anne started a business with rupees 1 lakh. So he's starting a business means he is having his own transaction. It is all making the transactions within him, right? Within Anne, so-called Anne's. So it is the transactions are dealing with himself. So it falls under the case of personal account. Now once when it is in the personal account, we say the rule for the personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who's the receiver? Anne's only business. So, but here you have to identify two types of account. One is Anne's cash account and the other one to capital account. So, from Anne's cash account, he is receiving. So, debit the receiver from cash account, debit the receiver and credit to capital account. Is it clear? Now, I'm going to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys, am I clear? If I'm clear, I can go. If you say something only, I can follow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay. Now, what is the next transaction? Purchased furniture for cash of rupees 7,000. What kind of account? Prajwal, can you answer? Just tell me first what type of account is this? I think Prajwal's mic is not working. Can you type in Prajwal if your mic is not working? See, in this first module, this portion only is very toughest. If you've understood this, then the rest and all is theory, you can somehow manage. Prince, what kind of account is this?
Ma'am,
Yes, Chandan.
personal account.
Ma'am, it's a real account, ma'am.
Chandan, is
Purchase
this Prince, I'll get back to you. Chandan, is this personal account? What is the rule for the personal account?
Real account. Real account, ma'am.
It is a real account.
Real account.
Prince, is it? You're right. It is real account. Okay. So, what is the rule for the real account? What is the rule for the real account?
What comes in, what goes out.
Debit what comes in. Now, what is coming in here? Furniture account. Furniture account, something entry has to happen. So, furniture account. So, you're going to debit it. What is the money? Rupees 7,000. Debit what comes in. Credit what goes out. What is going out? Cash is going out. Very good. So, to cash account, rupees 7,000. Okay. So, what is the next transaction? Now, you tell me this one. 8/4. The transaction is happening on 8/4. What is the transaction happening? There are two parts of the statement. One is goods account is purchasing goods for cash rupees 2,000 and credit 1,000, right? That means you're going to a shop, you're buying something, you're buying goods, you pay 2,000 and you keep 1,000 rupees credit. With whom? With Khalid Retail Store. With whom you're making the transaction? With Khalid Retail Store. Now, how do you deal with this? Are you getting the question? Should I repeat the question? The question says, purchased goods for cash or for rupees 2,000 and credit rupees 1,000 from Khalid Retail Store. First, what kind of account is this?
Now, from the first statement, looks like a real account.
From the first statement, it is real account. It is fully real account only. But anybody else before I get in? Baswaraj? Baswaraj,
Ma'am, real.
it is real account. Okay. So now the transactions are, it is a real account, no doubt. Whether today or tomorrow you have to pay him 1,000 rupees credit, you can go back, you can send some of your shop people to pay him money, or you can do online transactions after you get to your company. Even though it is on credit, but still the transaction, that is you're buying goods of worth rupees 3,000 only, 2,000 in cash and 1,000 rupees in credit, means totally goods you purchased is worth rupees 3,000. So it is a real account. So I have to debit what comes in. What's coming in? It's a goods account. Goods are coming. So goods account. What is the amount? What is the entry I have to do on the debit side? What's the entry I have to do on the debit side? Boys, first of all, I'm teaching online. I'm not confident. You have to, only your responses can help me whether I'm trying to express and you're catching those concepts what I'm telling you. You're getting it right. There is a transaction which is happening between the two parties. One is going and buying goods. He's bought the goods for worth rupees 3,000, but due to some circumstances, he's paying 2,000 in. He's paying 2,000 cash. He says maybe there is some mutual agreement between them. He says that he'll go back to his office, send through his office in charge, or he will make online transactions after reaching the business or something. There is some understanding between them, but still. Now we have realized it's a goods, it's a real account. So the goods he purchased is worth rupees how much?
2,000, ma'am.
3,000.
2,000. The 1,000 credit also will be added here. It is not only 2,000. He's buying, he's giving 2,000 in cash. 1,000 rupees credit, he will go back and credit it.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it? 2,000. You're going to buy something. You're buying 10 pens. You're running a small firm. You're going and buying some 10 mobiles. Okay, 10 mobiles you're buying. The entire cost of 10 mobiles is cost you about 1,20,000. So you have in your hand only 1 lakh rupees. You're paying 1 lakh to him. So what will you tell? You tell, see, there is a shortage of 20,000. You will go back and you will send your office boy, or you will do online transactions, or you will tell, if the agreement is very good, once when I get next profit line, during the next time I will make I will send the money. There is something called, there is amount that has to be transferred to him, which can be done through the later process only. But still, the goods you have purchased is worth rupees 1,20,000. Am I correct? Are you getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
goods amount, total value of your goods amount? What will be the debit?
3,000.
The voucher will be put for 3,000 only. But here, you can make the cash account. Cash account to cash account is 2,000. If you want to be more precise, you can write account payable. From account payable, it is again 1,000. Is it clear? First, did you get this transaction clear? Am I clear with this transaction? Shall I move on to the next point?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next one is sold goods to Khan Brothers. Khan Brothers, rupees 12,000, and cash sales rupees 5,000. Take time and understand. You're selling goods, okay, to Khan Brothers worth rupees 12,000, and cash sales rupees 5,000. Now I want you to do the transactions. If you have copied this, I'm going to clear this. You've copied this? Boys, copied this?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, make the entries now. Can somebody explain what kind of transaction is this?
Real account.
It is a real account. What is coming in? What is going out?
And cash is coming in.
Because there is sales happening. If sales happening, cash is coming in. So what's the total money you're going to get?
17,000.
It is 17,000. Very good. You're getting the point. 17,000. Okay. Two things it is going. What is it? One is, what is one? Account
When goods are sold to
Khan Brothers. So it is account or Khan Brothers account. I'm going to write down to make it. Or in general, you can write it as account receivable account also. There will be there. Since they have used Khan Brothers, I'm going to write it as to Khan Brothers. But if you write in the now simply since we are in the earlier stage, I'm writing Khan Brothers. But whenever you use the name, it becomes appropriate by saying that it becomes a case of personal account. So usually we don't use names of person in the transaction because it becomes the case of real account. So to avoid that, I'm going to use it as account receivable how much I will pay. This person's account is received rupees 12,000. Sorry, 12,000 will come here. And what else? And through sales account, how much is getting?
5,000.
Through sales account is getting 5,000. Is this account balanced?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, the next transaction you're going to tell me. Owner withdrew of worth rupees 2,000 for personal use. What kind of account is this?
Personal account.
It is
Personal
personal account. Very good. Personal account. So can we finish it quickly? So what is the date? 18th 4/16. So what you're going to make the transaction? In general, we'll write it as drawing account. Who's the person? The drawee is receiving the money, so it is drawing account. Debit the receiver, so drawee is receiving, so it is a drawing amount. How much he is receiving? 2,000. Who is the giver? From the cash account he is receiving, right? So credit the giver. Boys, somewhere by these transactions you will not understand, but somewhere you please write down personal account, real account, all those things you have to write, especially in terms where I, instead of Khan Brothers, why I have written account receivable, why I have written drawing account, drawee. Drawee is the owner, so his account will be called as drawing account. Please underline these statements and write down personal account or real account. Why is it real account? Please make those statements clear so that when you're revising for your exam, it will be helpful. Shall I move on with the next one? Shall I move on with the next one?
Ma'am, there's one doubt now.
Yes,
Uh,
Nilesh.
Ma'am, in the credit side, we have written cash account. So is it the account of the person who has started the business and the owner is taking from that account?
No, in general also
Is the transaction like that?
when you made the transaction, okay, when the capital account is deposited to cash account only, right? If you use names of person, it becomes personal account. The drawee is the owner itself, but still we cannot write and withdrew money. And's account we cannot write. It is the drawee's account. Or you want to tell, since it's a personal account, you want to tell, can we write And's account only?
Ma'am, my doubt was like wherever we are writing cash account, is it linked with the person who has started the business? Are we taking him into reference and then we are writing his cash account, or there should be some like every cash account we'll be mentioning like whose cash account is it?
Cash account is definitely with respect to the business account only. Wherever, see, in the business, there will be, although there are several departments, cash account, cash flow is only one. In that cash, how much money is going to different departments is from one subset only. So definitely it is with the business with which you are associated.
Okay, so every cash account over here is like same only, ma'am. From the associated with the same person, right? Okay, okay.
Until unless, like if you say Khan Brothers, or if you say some other name of the, when it is a personal account, bank deposit, that SBI bank or something, you, unless you name, it is going other account. But otherwise, see, all the cash accounts deals with the transaction of the same business.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Oh, got it. Now, next one is, what is the next transaction? Paid Khalid Retail Store, rupees 500. What kind of account is this? First, you tell me that.
Personal account.
It is personal account. Now here I am bound to use the name. What was the date? It is 22nd. 22nd 4. So I will use here Khalid Brothers account, or Khalid. They've given brothers account, right? No, what is it? Khalid Khan. What account? Khalid Retail Store account. Because they are paying to Khalid, it is a personal account. Debit the receiver. So receiver is Khalid. So I'm writing his name on the debit side. How much he is receiving? He is receiving 500. Okay. To what account? To cash account. Here again, we're talking about the transaction of the business. So it is 500. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If I've copied, can I clear the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, received rupees 1000 from Khan Brothers. What kind of account is this?
Personal account.
It is personal account. Can you quickly make the transactions? What is it? Who's the receiver now?
Cash account and
Cash
debit
account.
and
Very good. What's the date? I forgot the date. It is 26th. 26th 4.
Yes, ma'am.
It is cash account. You're receiving. So cash account will be, who's receiving? Cash account is receiving. So cash account is receiving how much? It is receiving 10,000 rupees. Okay. From whom you're receiving? Credit the giver, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who's giving you? Khan Brothers.
Khan Brothers.
Please make the entry in the vertical column correctly. I don't have space, so I fit in like this. Now, if Prajwal is there, the Prajwal will complete the last set of the problem. Prajwal is there? See, I'm looking at Paint. If Prajwal is there, please answer. Prajwal? Prajwal? Paid salary expenses rupees 2000. What kind of account is this? Maybe Prajwal's mic is not working. Somebody else, Chandan, can you help me? What kind of account is this? Chandan?
Personal account.
Chandan, is a personal account. We are paying salary expenses.
Nominal.
Nominal
It is
account. Sorry.
nominal account.
So,
What is the rule for nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all gains, right? So what is the date? It is in the last day of the month, 30th, 4. So it is, I have to debit the losses. So salary account, how much you're paying? How much you're paying? 2000, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
To
Yes,
which
ma'am.
account? To cash account.
Cash account.
So this completes the problem. Is it clear? See, boys, for you in the exam, I don't think they will give journal entry and ledger entry. Either they can give ledger entry or they can give journal entry. If they give, see, these few students who are studying commerce and all, if you see for them, one complete 40 marks problem will be on journal entry and the ledger entry, right? So for you, for your exams, either they can ask ledger entry separately or journal entry separately. As far now, over the previous years, if you observe, they've asked majority of the times, they've asked the journal entries only. But in case ledger entry they have asked, we have seen how it is made in the previous problem. It is the most simplest part if you have done with your journal entry. Now, I am going to do all the problems only on journal entry. You can keep it as an assignment to the ledger entry and keep your problems ready for your ready before you prepare for your exam. Now, in maybe by Saturday, first when you come, I will give you a test on all the different transactions. I won't be giving somebody's business, only small transactions I'll give. I can call out anyone and I can ask you to help me with the transactions. With that, I will complete the problem on Saturday. Maybe 2 problems I will be posting in the Google Classroom. By Monday, you can post those solutions on the Google Classroom, which will be considered as a first assignment. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this completes your first part of the module. So have I given you what and all the probability of the questions can be asked? Have I given you before?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm repeating for students who have not joined. You should know the definition. You should know the importance of financial management. You should know the functions of financial manager. You should know what are the financial management decisions involving with investment policies, methods of financing and dividend revision. Then you should know bookkeeping system, the objectives of bookkeeping, terms used in bookkeeping, business transactions, cash transactions, credit transactions, purchases. I'll share my notes also in the classroom. So purchase, returns, assets, liabilities, capital. I think I've not done this. Please remind me to explain terms used in bookkeeping. Have I done this? Business transactions, cash transactions, credit transactions, purchases, what is assets, what is liabilities. Have I done this?
No, ma'am.
No. So briefly, I will discuss about this in the Saturday's class. That is the terms used in bookkeeping. That is also one of the important questions from your exam perspective. Is it clear? Then you should know what is journal entry. Sorry, you should know what is single entry system. You should know what is double entry. Then you should know the problem solving using journal entry and ledger entry. This completes the first part of your module. Officially, with today's class, I'm completing the first part of your module. Okay? So, quickly you can answer your attendance and attempt the quiz. It's posted in the Google Classroom. So, Abdul Khalid has not reported in my class. Today's date is 16th, if I'm correct. And Alok is also not there. Baswaraj is there. Chandan, 6. Nilesh
Yeah,
is
present.
there. Prince is there. Sharanaya is there. Sheikh Manan, he happens to come, but he missed. Sumukh, Prajwal, and please, okay, I'll put it in the WhatsApp group. Well, you have no doubts, no? So you should be thorough by now. What are the different accounts we use? Personal account, real account, and nominal account. How transactions are done, you should be knowing them. Is it clear? So if you have no, do you have any doubts?
No doubts.
Okay, then we'll wind up. We'll meet on Saturday.
Thank you.
Okay, ma, thank you.
Thank you.